How to make the best of Performance Max in Google Ads. Here are some pro tips for getting the most out of Google Ads Performance Max campaigns. 1. Let Performance Max optimize for conversions rather than clicks. Focus on the real goal, not just driving traffic. 2. Use detailed audience signals like custom lists or customer data to hone in on your best potential customers. 3. Pay attention to asset reporting to identify your highest performing creative and copy. Put more budget into those. 4. Test out a range of bidding strategies. Consider target CPA or ROAS bidding initially. 5. Closely monitor performance over the first few weeks before making big changes. Give the algorithm time to optimize. 6. Make incremental optimizations when you upload new creative rather than pausing or drastically altering budgets. 7. Check auction insights reports to diagnose issues reaching valuable inventory related to budgets or bids. 8. Check search terms to identify new potential keywords you aren't directly targeting. 9. Use an inclusive strategy that allows the algorithm to dynamically shift budget across channels over time. 10. Analyze full conversion paths to reduce inefficiencies getting customers to completions.